Hi, this is Pooja from POSBean Billing Software. Today I'm gonna teach how to create billing through mobile OTP. Firstly, we have to go for billing, then click on customer profile. If there is a new customer, click on Control N and create an account of him. We can see here stars field, that's all mandatory fields, and at the last we can see here bill OTP. We have to click on yes because it's entered OTP. So go for point of sale. If do you have any customer, existing customer, select the same person. Scan the barcode and click on F12 and collect the OTP. And click on OK. Now we will get amount screen. Enter the amount. If you want print, click on yes or else no. This is how we are going to create billing through mobile OTP. Thank you.